What's up? What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while since I've posted. So anyway, today we're gonna make something that I don't think I've seen before. Sometimes I just come up, I don't know if I'm really inventing this, but I come up with things or foods that I don't know what to search or the name for them, or you know, how could I search for anything that I don't know what the fuck it's called. So I don't know if it's an invention of mine, but we're gonna try something new today, so stay tuned. Guys, this is what I'm gonna use. I'm gonna be using 1 chicken breast, 2 eggs, some of these breadcrumbs that I'm gonna show you right now in a second, and some flour with the seasoning. Of course, we got our black pepper freshly ground. We got some salt and some garlic powder. Also some paprika. Cannot forget the paprika. So maybe you're wondering which breadcrumbs. I'm going to be using these. I did have these just chilling there since probably like a month ago. They're still good though. I don't have panko, so I'm going to be using these. And we'll see how they turn out. And just some regular all-purpose flour. Let's just get some mixing of flour. You can add as much or as little as you want for the condiments, for the spices. This is what I added, about a teaspoon for each. You can add more. But I can already smell all these spices, so I think that's good enough for me. Alright guys, I'm gonna try to do this as fast as I can because my camera's gonna die. I should have charged it a while ago, but yeah, I didn't. So we're gonna beat our egg. Okay, and then we're gonna cut our chicken breast. Get rid of these excess. I don't like any of this stuff. Look at that. I'll take that out. I'm not a professional at cutting stuff, so don't judge. Get this piece. Ugh, that muscle. I saw a hack on this, but I can't remember how they did it. Let's see if I can get it how I want it. So I think I got the hang of it. Cutting sideways at an angle so I can get more meat. Create this fillet type of cut. And for this, well, let's see if we can go in straight. This is good enough. Still chicken, guys. All right, now I'll just do egg first. We'll do some like this, and then we'll do some like this. Boom, boom, boom. We'll do another wash. Boom, boom, boom. Breadcrumbs. Boom. We're gonna need more breadcrumbs, but that's what I just did to show you guys the purpose. I mean, you could do it as many coats as you like. Alright guys, I'm halfway done. Just getting. So I ended up having to use about 6 slices of the toast. I'm about to crush it right now. This is how I crushed it, but you can crush it on a grinder or on a food processor or whatever you have that will do the job. But I'm a lazy girl, so this is what I'm doing. Alright. Flip over. I get those big pieces. Alright. And I did whisk another egg. So I just let these rest in the flour. I was doing the first egg bath, then flour, then another egg bath, then this, but this is more effective actually. So we'll just do that and we'll finish it off this way. All right. Little pieces to the side. See, this is much easier. And again, guys, I'm not a professional. I actually haven't done this in a long time, so every time I do this, like breading stuff, it's always a while before. So I'm not a professional. But anyway, I'll see you guys in a little bit. So I've preheated my oil. It's new oil, but you can reuse oil, up to you. That's just what I had. So let's get started. Let's get started. So of course I don't have a thermometer. We should just try it, see if it's hot enough. And apparently it is. So set that one to the side. Throw in another one. Oh, and by the way, these were in the freezer for about 5 minutes or so. You can leave them longer, but I'm just trying to get this done because I'm hungry. So I don't know, comment down below if you've seen this before, like these thin slices of chicken. I don't know, I don't think I've ever seen this. Like smaller for sure, but not this thin. See, they're already starting to turn golden. I'm gonna turn it down a little bit because it's starting to splash out. That panko though, oh, it's not panko, I mean that that toasted bread. Alright. Actually don't look that bad. Just gonna set them over on this rack. I'm gonna put this rack a little bit closer. Boom, boom. Alright, so if it gets too hot, just set it to the side. I'm gonna turn it down a little bit more. Put it back in there. We don't want them to burn. Alright, so I've got my chicken fried. Looking good. Now we're gonna put it into the mini oven. Finish it off there. Put this one on the bottom in case anything does fall in there. Oh damn, it's not gonna fit. Okay. Plan B, plan B. Abort, abort. Oh shit. No! Okay, that was bad plan. Oh well, it's probably gonna drip because there is a jalapeno popper in there. But I'm gonna finish them off there. Just wanted to say thanks to everybody that has subscribed from, I believe it's been a month or so. And I think I had about 120 or so subs. I'm not sure, 117 or around that number. But yeah, I just want to say thanks to everybody that has subscribed recently. And this whole time that I've had this channel, I very, very much appreciate it. It just gives me some motivation, you know, going on to check my channel and see that the subscriber count has gone up, and just makes me happy because it seems like a lot of people want to see my content, and I really enjoy making this type of content. and the food and stuff. So yeah, I just wanted to say thanks, and I hope you guys continue to support the channel and you guys enjoy the rest of the content that I create. And if there's anything you'd like me to try out or try making, please comment down below, and don't forget to share it if you like the video and give it a thumbs up because it really does help. And yeah, thanks. Alright, I gotta make this quick because my camera is gonna die. So what did you think? Let me try it. I haven't tried it.
It's really good.
Oh my god. Okay,
it's really good.
So I actually ended up having, I had one of the jalapenos. Focus. I had a jalapeno just chilling in my fridge, so I was like, why not just, you know, make something out of it. So let's give it a try. Yes. Okay. Also, if you guys want me to show you guys how to make these poppers, comment down below, give it a like, you know what I mean, do what you gotta do. Alright, now for the best part. Well, the part that I think that should be the best part, which is the main thing, the main thing.
Well, you could try it.
Okay, I'm gonna try it now.
Sit down.
So I like myself a lot of barbecue sauce. Let's get this going. Oh no, it's gonna die.
It's gonna die?
Some chili. Did you like it with the chili?
We had to hurry this up.
And the rice came out
Oh,
good again.
I'll give you one.
Alright guys, if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, don't forget to do all that stuff, you know what I mean? And I'll see you guys in a new video. Bye!